achievement. From now on, whatever you touch, you will begin to prosper.
Àwọn èèyàn ń lọ káàkiri wọ́n wá ẹni tí ó fi àmì òróró yan ọwọ́ wọn pé ọwọ́ mi yìí wọ́n ti fàmì òróró yàn fún àṣeyọrí fún ọ̀nà líla pé gbogbo ohun tí n bá sì ti dáwọ́lé láti òní lọ ó yọrí sí rere ni.
There's nothing wrong in that.
Kò sí tó burú nu eléyìí nítòótọ́.
It's good.
Ó dà.
But
ṣùgbọ́n
the Bible says the Lord shall bless the work of your hands.
Bíbélì wípé Olúwa yóò bù sí iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ rẹ.
You see people going about looking for herbalists.
A rí àwọn èèyàn tó ń tọ babaláwo lọ.
They believe they will give them some certain charms.
Wọ́n gbàgbé pé wọ́n máa fún àwọn ní oògùn kan.
And when they apply that charms, they will begin to receive customers from left and right.
Pé táwọn bá sì ń lo oògùn yìí tán sàbọ̀n ṣe fún wọn, àwọn ò mọ̀ rí kọ́sítọ́mà lọ́tún àti lósì.
That is why traders,
Nítorí ẹ̀ ni àwọn oníṣòwò.
they will go to herbalists to get some certain charm to bury in the front of their shop, or to hang at the ceiling of their shop, or to put at somewhere maybe in like liquid to wet ground. And they believe that that thing, once they pour that oil there, once they wet the ground, all the customers, instead of going to places where they needed, they will be attracted to them.
Nítorí ẹ̀ la ṣe rí àwọn tó ń tajà tí wọ́n lọ ń gba oògùn lọ́dọ̀ babaláwo àbí lọ́dọ̀ wòlíì èké pé táwọn bá rì mọ́lẹ̀ àbí táwọn fi kọ́ àjà àbí táwọn fi wọ́n ilẹ̀ lẹ̀ ṣọ́ọ̀bù àwọn gbogbo kọ́sítọ́mà tó yẹ kó mọ lọ́dọ̀ àwọn ẹlòmíràn yóò wọ́n wọ́dọ̀ àwọn nìkan.
People who are educated,
Àwọn tó kàwé,
politicians,
àwọn
they
olóṣèlú,
will go to the poor herbalist
wọ́n á lọ́dọ̀ babaláwo tí ò lówó.
who is struggling to survive,
Tóun gan tiraka láti gbé ayé
to give them something that will make them rich.
tí ó fún wọn ní nǹkan láti sọ wọ́n dolówó.
If the herbalist knows the way of success, the way of riches, and the way of greatness, why didn't he make them rich?
Tí babaláwo bá mọ ọ̀nà àti lówó àti ọ̀nà àti là, òun gan ò ṣe sọ́ra rẹ̀ dolówó.
Others believe that success is fate.
Àwọn kan tún wá gbàgbọ́ pé àyànmọ́ ni àṣeyọrí.
And because of that,
Nítorí ìdí èyí,
they believe that if you will succeed, you will succeed.
wọ́n gbàgbọ́ pé tó bá ṣàṣeyọrí, ó ṣàṣeyọrí
There
náà.
are some people that are destined to succeed, and there are some people that are destined to fail.
Nípa àwọn kan wà tí wọ́n ti fi yàn pé eléyìí ó ṣàṣeyọrí ni o, eléyìí ó kò lè ṣàṣeyọrí láyé.
You know, people like that, they will quote the Bible and say, God was telling Jeremiah that before you were conceived, I know you. Which means, whatever you are going to be in life, God knows already. So whether you struggle, you labor, you pray, you rest, you sleep, whatever shall be, shall be.
Àwọn eléyìí yóò tiẹ̀ tún mọ ka Bíbélì, wọ́n mọ̀ sọ Bíbélì pé ṣèbí Ọlọ́run sọ fún Jeremiah pé kémi tó kan tó bí ìwọ lèmi ti mọ tí ó dà. Ìpè so Ọlọ́run ti mọ̀ pé ẹni yìí o, ó sùn o, kò sùn o, ó ṣiṣẹ́ o, kò ṣiṣẹ́ o, bí ó bá lówó, yóò lówó, bí ó sì ní lówó, kò sí bó ṣe ṣiṣẹ́ tó o, kò lè lówó kankan.
There are other people that believe that success is luck.
Àwọn kan tún wá gbà pé àṣeyọrí ó jẹ́ ní téèyàn kan lè kò.
They believe success is lucky.
Wọ́n wò pé n tó kan lè kò ní.
And what do they mean by that?
Kí ni eléyìí túmọ̀ sí?
That is why some people go to Bet Naija,
Ìtọ́jú
soccer
làwọn kan.
bet, Baba Ijebu, and different kinds of lotto, even the government ticket, and they are believing that in this ticket, I will hit millions. How many people did you know that with that lotto, they have hitted millions? And with that million, they have become somebody in life. Can you raise up your hand?
Àwọn kan wà tó yẹ pé wọ́n gbàgbọ́ pé àṣeyọrí a lè kó nítorí ẹ̀ náà ṣe máa ń ta tẹ́tẹ́, àwọn míì ń ta bàbá Ìjẹ̀bú. Even ìjọba gan tún ó encourage àwọn èèyàn pé kí ẹ lè máa ta tẹ́tẹ́ yìí torí pẹ̀lú mi wò pé tí n bá fi 10 naira sí mo lè jẹ 1 million. Ẹ jẹ́ wọ́n á bí yín, èèyàn mélòó lẹ mọ̀ tó ti jẹ mílíọ̀nù nínú tẹ́tẹ́ yìí?
Let me tell you something.
Ẹ jẹ́ n sọ nǹkan kan fún yín.
The lotto man
Ẹni tó ní bàbá Ìjẹ̀bú,
we collect 500 naira from about 1,000 people,
á gba ẹgbẹ̀rún 5 lọ́wọ́ èèyàn bíi 1,000.
and we release 100,000 to one person.
Á wá fún èèyàn kan ní 100,000.
Whereas he
Tó
has
sì jẹ́ pé
gained about 400,000 into his own pocket,
òun fún rẹ̀ ti jèrè bíi 400,000.
and he released 100,000 to somebody, and everybody begin to jump. This man win. Oh, I will so win.
Àwọn èèyàn sì wá mọ dunnú pé ẹni tí jẹ bóyá ọjọ́ kan èmi náà ó jẹ.
I want to refer you to people like our fathers
mo fẹ́ darí wa sí ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn èèyàn bíi àwọn bàbá ńlá wa
that were careless in their youthful days.
tí wọ́n fi ọjọ́ ọ̀dọ́ wọn ṣeré
In my village,
ní abúlé tèmi.
if they call you Baba Ilorin,
Tí wọ́n bá pè ọ́ ní bàbá Ìlọrin,
is a very good appellation pointing to you that you went to Ilorin all your life and you came back empty.
eléyìí túmọ̀ sí pé gbogbo ọjọ́ ayé rẹ lọ fi lọ lọ́rin ó sì padà wá lọ́wọ́ asán.
When they call you Baba Ibadan
Tán bá pè ọ́ bàbá Ìbàdàn
or Baba Eko,
àbí bàbá Èkó,
it is because you have been there for many years,
ìdí ni pé ti wà ń bẹ̀ ní ọ̀pọ̀ ọdún.
and the little children that were born when you left the village has been able to, they built houses and you are now a tenant in their house, and so they can easily call you Baba Ibadan. Where are you?
Àwọn ọmọ tán bí nígbà tí ìwọ ti wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tí wọ́n ti ẹ̀bí ń sojú rẹ gan, wọ́n ti wá ṣàṣeyọrí, wọ́n ti kọ́lé ilé tán wà pọ̀ tún wá ń yálé gbé ń bẹ̀. Ìdí nìtàn ṣe ń pè wọ́n ní bàbá Èkó. Bàbá Èkó ibo lẹ́wà o.
Look at the boys that are playing Baba Ijebu all around.
Ẹ wo àwọn ọmọdékùnrin tí wọ́n ń ta tẹ́tẹ́ káàkiri.
All these Okada boys,
Àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́kadà.
instead of keeping their money to make something,
Eléyìí tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n yẹ kán máa fi owó wọn pamọ́ pé wọ́n fẹ́ fi ṣe nǹkan gidi.
Baba Ijebu has taken their money.
Bàbá Ìjẹ̀bú gba owó wọn.
Even look at policemen.
Ẹ kó dẹ̀ wọ àwọn ọlọ́pàá.
Many of them, they play pool.
Ọ̀pọ̀ wọn ló ń ta púùlù.
Every day they end up at Baba Ijebu.
Ojoojúmọ́ náà wo wọn sí ọ̀dọ̀ bàbá Ìjẹ̀bú.
Those people play Baba Ijebu.
Àwọn tó ń ta bàbá Ìjẹ̀bú
How
yìí.
many of them has been able to win money that they used to buy land and build houses and train their children?
Mélòó nu wọn ló jẹ owó tí wọ́n fi kọ́lé tí wọ́n fi ra mọ́tò tán tó fi rán ọmọ wọn lọ léèwé?
There is a negative and bad spirit behind all these things, and those spirits are the spirit confusing, destroying the life of people, thinking that success is luck. My friend, it is not luck.
Ẹ̀mí burúkú kan wà tó ń tẹ̀lé gbogbo àwọn tẹ́tẹ́ ìkiri tó ń mú káwọn èèyàn gbàgbọ́ pé àṣeyọrí jẹ́ nǹkan tá a lè kò. Mo ń sọ fún yín gbangba pé àṣeyọrí iṣẹ́ nǹkan tí a kàn ń kò.
Some people believe that success is opportunity.
Àwọn kan tó wá gbàgbọ́ pé àṣeyọrí jẹ́ àyè.
I want you to pay attention.
Mo fẹ́ ká farabalẹ̀
Pay
dáadáa.
attention to what you are hearing this moment.
Mo fẹ́ ká farabalẹ̀ sí ohun tí à ń gbọ́ láàárọ̀ yìí.
Because I know it will change somebody's life.
Torí pé mo mọ̀ pé ó máa yí ayé èèyàn kan padà.
Some people believe that success is opportunity.
Àwọn kan gbàgbọ́ pé àṣeyọrí jẹ́ nǹkan tí a lè kò.
And so they are looking for somebody who will link them up with the governor so that the governor will be able to, one of the day, he will just be say, okay, I want somebody to come and tie this road, and they will give them that contract, and they will just get there and begin to expand and begin to explode in riches. My friend, it is not opportunity.
Ìdí nìkan ṣe ń wéyàn kan tí ó so wọn mọ́ gómìnà tí ó tiẹ̀ lè gbé ọ̀nà fún wọn pé ọ̀nà yìí o ọ̀nà bíi Sábòkè yìí ti bàjẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ń gbé ọ̀nà yìí fún kó ṣe pé táwọn bá sì ti ṣe ọ̀nà yìí àwọn dolówó ni mo tún sọ fún yín pé àníṣe kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀.
Some people believe,
Àwọn kan gbàgbọ́
suppose I was born
ipe tó bá yẹ pé wọ́n bí mi
in the house of rich man
sí ilé olówó ni
like Dangote,
bíi Dangote.
I would have become successful.
Èmi náà ti ṣàṣeyọrí.
But I came from a very bad and hard background.
Kódà ìdílé tí ó tòṣì jùlọ lèmi gan ti jáde wá.
And that is why I'm not lucky.
Ìdí nìyí tí mi ò tiẹ̀ ṣe wá ní àṣeyọrí kankan.
Listen to me.
Ẹ gbọ́ mi dáadáa.
There are people who are privileged
Àwọn kan wà tí a fún ní ààyè.
to be born with silver spoon in their mouth.
Tí a bí wọn sí ìdílé ọlọ́rọ̀.
But they end up as drunkard, and they end up as failure. They end up as beggars on the streets.
Tí wọ́n sì tọrọ parí ayé wọn.
When we are talking of Dangote, go
Yeah.
and find out.
Tí a bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Dangote ẹ lọ wádìí dáadáa.
It was given just, is it 120 something naira? Yes. And within a period, it was given to that money to be in a test. And the boy, at that time, tried to multiply it.
Owó
And
kékeré.
so the people now gave him a little one more. He went again into it and traded to it and gained more. And so they began to trust him with other money. And the boy, instead of eating suya and dudu all around, instead of looking for some girls that to go and have fine night with, instead of looking for ladies to carry here and there, he was investing and investing until he became what he is today.
owó kékeré la fún Dangote tó fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ ńgbà náà wọ́n fún lówó èkó fi ṣe tẹ́sítì ni ṣùgbọ́n ó fowó èkó fi ṣòwò owó tó wá fi ṣòwò yìí wọ́n rí i pé ìgbà tó ṣòwò alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ owó yẹn ó jèrè tó pọ̀ wọ́n tún wá fún díẹ̀ sí pé a wò pé bóyá owó kékeré tá a fún ni a fún kékeré mi ṣùgbọ́n ó tún fi ṣòwò sí ni ó sì tún wá jèrè náà fi wá fún ní owó ńlá tó fi ṣòwò tó fi di púpọ̀ tó bá jẹ́ pé ó ti fowó ẹ̀ ó fi mu ọtí ni àbí ó fi kóbìnrin àbó fi jẹun ni kò lè di nǹkan ńlá tó dì lónìí tí gbogbo wa ṣe ń wò.
If we have announced,
tí a bá kéde,
and we have gone to the radio to announce to people that this morning we are going to sell anointing oil of breakthrough.
ipe a máa ta ìfàmì òróró yàn tí ó sọ wá di ọlọ́lá.
And that oil,
ipe òróró yìí.
if you buy that oil,
tí o bá lè rà á.
you buy it 5,000.
tó bá rà ní ẹgbẹ̀rún márùn-ún.
Within 6 months,
láàrin oṣù mẹ́fà
you
péré.
become a millionaire.
ó di ọlọ́rọ̀ ńlá.
There are people who will come to this church with that 5,000 ready to buy the oil of anointing that will turn them to become millionaires.
a ó rí àpò àwọn èèyàn tí ó wà tí wọ́n sì kó ẹgbẹ̀rún márùn-ún dání láti wá ra òróró tí ó sọ wọ́n di olówó.
My friend, that is not the way.
ọ̀rẹ́ mi ọ̀nà kan ni èyí.
Others believe that success is connection.
àwọn kan gbàgbọ́ pé àṣeyọrí jẹ́ nípa èèyàn tó o mọ̀.
Somebody have to link you with a governor.
èèyàn kan gbúdọ̀ mú ọmọ èèyàn kan.
The governor will link you to a senator.
gómìnà ó tún á mú ọmọ sẹ́nétọ̀.
The senator will link you to the president.
sẹ́nétọ̀ wàá mú ọ lọ ààrẹ mú ààrẹ.
And so they begin to go about looking for connection.
wọ́n wá ń wá ìsopọ̀ yìí kiri.
And that is why you see people, they print business card that is not their own. They manipulate in the computer. They use other people's identity so that they can begin to siphon and steal and rob people, believing that success is connection.
ìdí nìyí tí àwọn ọmọ fi ń tẹ káàdì tán fún àwọn èèyàn pé àwọn ọmọ èèyàn báyìí àwọn ọmọ èèyàn báyìí tán fi ń gbá àwọn èèyàn tán fi ń jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn rò pé wọ́n mọ àwọn ẹni tán sọ pé àwọn mọ̀ yìí.
Other people believe
àwọn kan tí wọ́n gbàgbọ́.
that you can succeed as you go through 419.
ipe o lè ṣe àṣeyọrí tó bá lu gbájú ẹ̀.
You become a Yahoo boy.
àbí ò ń ṣe yahoo.
Listen to me.
ẹ gbọ́ mi dáadáa.
These are ways that will cut short your life.
àwọn ọ̀nà tó ń sọ èèyàn di ẹlẹ́mìí kúkúrú ni èyí.
Success does not hang in that place.
àṣeyọrí ò kàn dúró síbì kan.
And success is not on that line.
àṣeyọrí ò sì sí lórí ilẹ̀ náà.
And that is why you see the Yahoo boys. Within few days, they are riding vehicles. Within few days, they can begin to build a big hotel because they have hit some certain money. But listen to me. Every stolen thing that you think you can use in converting for your own personal benefit will end you in chains and end you in tears and end your life prematurely.
nítorí ẹ̀ la ṣe ráwọn ọmọ yahoo yìí tó jẹ́ pé láàrin ọjọ́ díẹ̀ wọ́n ti ra mọ́tò wọ́n ti ń kọ́ òtẹ́ẹ̀lì ẹ jẹ́ ń sọ nǹkan kan fún yín nítòótọ́ wọ́n lè fi owó tí wọ́n jí láti kó nǹkan jọ ṣùgbọ́n ìgbẹ̀yìn rẹ̀ ó máa ń yọrí sí ẹkún ìpayín kékeré ni.
There are people that were privileged to be linked up with great men.
tí a ní àǹfààní láti mọ àwọn èèyàn ńláńlá.
And those great people wanted to trust them.
àwọn èèyàn ńlá sì fẹ́ fi ọkàn tán wọn.
And they put them into a good place.
wọ́n sì wá fi wọ́n sí àyè tó dáa.
Instead of them to carefully and to calmly work with those people with an open heart, within few days, they steal those people's treasure. They betray the trust that was given to them, thinking that they can use that and make it and run away.
èyí tó yẹ kí wọ́n fi ara balẹ̀ kán sì jẹ́ kí ìfọkàntán tí àwọn èèyàn yìí nínú wọn kó jẹ́ nǹkan tó mú èso gidi jáde ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n já wọn lólè wọ́n sì da ilẹ̀ yìí.
You cannot.
wọ́n dalẹ̀ wọn.
You cannot steal another person's sweat.
o lè jí àágùn ẹlòmíràn.
And you want to sleep a sweet sleep.
o sì fẹ́ sun oorun tó dára.
Hear me again.
ẹ gbọ́ mi dáadáa.
You cannot steal another man's sweat.
ẹ ò lè já olè àágùn ẹlòmíràn.
The hard working of another person, the struggle of
mi ṣe kẹ́yìn wá jalè rẹ̀.
you cannot steal those things and become reasonable or responsible in life.
kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ jí tẹ́yìn náà wá fẹ́ di èèyàn tó níláárí àbí tó ṣe pàtàkì láwùjọ.
I'll give you an example.
ẹ jẹ́ fún yín lápẹẹrẹ kan.
There was a man in Ibadan.
ọkùnrin wà nílùú Ìbàdàn.
I was conducting a revival like this.
Mo ń ṣe ìsọjí bí eléyìí.
And that man happens to be in the revival ground.
Ọkùnrin wa wà lórí pápá ìsọjí náà.
As I was preaching,
Tí mo ṣe ń wàásù,
the Lord told me there is somebody here.
ẹ̀mí Ọlọ́run sọ fún mi pé èèyàn kan wà ń bí.
And that person want to commit suicide.
Ẹni sì fẹ́ para rẹ̀.
And I asked the whole church, the whole congregation.
Mo sì béèrè lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ìjọ.
I said, let's pray now.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbàdúrà báyìí.
Because this person want to terminate his life any moment from now.
Torí pé ẹni fẹ́ para ẹ̀ ní ọ̀wọ̀n ìgbà díẹ̀ sí i.
And the whole congregation prayed.
Gbogbo ìjọ sì gbàdúrà.
After we finished,
Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tá a parí,
there was a man who came to me crying.
ọmọkùnrin kan sì wá bá mi tí ń sunkún.
This was a rich man.
Olówó ọlọ́rọ̀ ni ẹni.
He was crying.
Ó ń sunkún ni.
Why are you crying?
Kí ló dé tẹ̀ ń sunkún
He
sá?
said it was this morning.
Ó ní àárọ̀ yìí
He went to buy Gamali 20.
wípé àwọn lọ ra gamale 20.
While he was returning,
Nígbà táwọn wá ń padà bọ̀,
somebody gave him a flyer, this handbill of your revival.
èèyàn kan wá fáwọn ní áńbìlì sọjí yín.
Well, he looked at it.
Àwọn wá wò ó,
He squeezed it and threw it away.
àwọn run àwọn sì jùnú.
He said, it's too late for me to go to any revival.
Ó ti pẹ́ jù fún mi láti lọ fún ìsọjí
That
kankan.
tonight,
Lálẹ́ yìí,
I'm going to drink that poison and I will die.
èmi ó gbógun olóró yìí mi yìí sì para mi.
And so, but when he got to that night,
Ṣùgbọ́n tí àwọn ṣe dé ilé lálẹ́ yẹn,
he has prepared the Gamali 20 already.
wọ́n ti gbé oògùn olóró yìí sílẹ̀.
He want to drink it.
Àwọn fẹ́ mú ni.
He now said,
Wọ́n wá sọ fọ́nrán wọn pé
he had a voice.
àwọn gbọ́ ohùn kan.
And the voice said, why not go to that crusade to pray for forgiveness so that when you die, God will accept you.
Kí ló tó ṣe lọ bí ìsọjí kó lọ tọrọ ìdárí jẹ̀sẹ̀ torí tó bá para rẹ̀ kọ́lọ̀ lè tẹ́wọ́ gbà ọ́.
And so he now said, okay,
Wọ́n ní
okay,
òótọ́ sì ni o.
let me go there and pray.
Jẹ́ kọ́kọ́ lọ bí ìsọjí kí n
When
gbàdúrà.
I return, I will take the poison
Jẹ́ ká padà dé màá wá gbé oògùn olóró yìí mì.
so that if I die, heaven will receive me.
Torí tí n bá kú kí ọ̀run lè tẹ́wọ́ gbà mí.
That was how he came to that program.
Bó ṣe di ẹni tó wá nù ìsọjí nìyẹn.
And the Lord revealed that secret to the preacher.
Ọlọ́run wá fi àṣírí eléyìí hàn ẹ oníwàásù.
And so when people were praying, he was crying.
Báwọn èèyàn ṣe ń gbàdúrà ló ń sunkún.
And then he came to me.
Wọ́n wá bá mi.
After he explained,
Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí wọ́n ṣàlàyé,
what led you to kill yourself?
mo wá béèrè kí wá ní ìdí tẹ́ ṣe fẹ́ para yín gan.
He has employed his brothers' children, brothers and sisters' children, put them in his own business, wanted those people to have a better footing and to also become something in life.
Wọ́n ti gba àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀gbọ́n ọmọ àbúrò síṣẹ́, wọ́n fẹ́ yẹ káwọn náà di èèyàn láyé.
He employed church members,
Wọ́n gba àwọn ará àjọ
wanted to assist them to become something in life.
láti ṣàfẹ́ràn lọ́wọ́ lọ́wọ́ káwọn náà lè jẹ́ èèyàn láyé.
Those boys
Gbogbo àwọn tán wá gbà yìí,
gathered up together.
wọ́n wá pàdé àpò pọ̀.
This man who has a very mighty business of supplying, factories with bring goods,
Iléeṣẹ́ wọn máa ń kó gígẹdú wá ni.
and then they will now distribute to the major distributors,
Àwọn máa ń tà fún àwọn tó ń tún tà.
and people will pay to the account.
Àwọn èèyàn tún sanwó sínú àkáǹtì wọn.
These boys goes about collecting money from the buyers,
Àwọn ọmọkùnrin wa lọ ń gba owó lọ́wọ́ àwọn tó ń tún rà lọ́wọ́ wọn.
and after collecting the money,
Láti lẹ́yìn ìgbà tán gba gbogbo owó yìí,
they sank the man's business.
wọ́n ta
They
iléeṣẹ́.
sank.
Okay,
Wọ́n dojú ẹ̀ dé,
wọ́n da ojú okòwò ọmọkùnrin yìí dé.
and all of them ran away the same week.
Gbogbo wọn sì sá lọ lọ́jọ́ kan náà.
And all the major distributors began to come to want to collect their goods.
Gbogbo àwọn tó wá fẹ́ gba ọjà wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pé ẹ bá ń gbọ́jà mi.
And the man began to look for those people he put in charge of this. All of them disappeared.
Ọmọkùnrin wa ń wá gbogbo àwọn tán fi sí ìdí igun kọ̀ọ̀kan pé ẹ̀yin da àwọn tó lọjà fẹ́ gba nǹkan ṣùgbọ́n
You
ogun
know
wọn ti
the
sá lọ.
funniest part of it?
Ẹ wá mi eléyìí tó panilẹ́rìn jù.
Somebody will call him from Japan.
Ẹnìkan tún pè láti ìlú òkèèrè.
He said, don't worry, I go away with your money. When I labor in Japan, I will bring the money back.
Ẹ má wọrí, mo ti lọ Japan, mo ti lọ lówó yín fi ṣe okòwò. Tí n bá ti pawó padà, ń dáwó yín padà
Some
fún
people
yín.
will say, no, that person will call from America, from
Ẹlòmíì
Germany.
ò tún pè láti ìlú òyìnbó pé
I used your money to get visa to run away.
owó yín mo fi gba visa o bàbá.
When I finish,
Tí n bá ti parí nǹkan tí mò ń ṣe,
I bring the money back.
ń dáwó yín padà.
And the customers were pulling this man left and right.
Àwọn tó sì lọjà sì ń pè lọ́tún lósì.
And people says that death is better than shame.
Àìsí mẹ́pà àwọn èèyàn máa ń sọ pé ikú yá jẹ̀sín lọ.
And so the man wanted to die
Bàbá yìí sì fẹ́ parẹ́.
because the people he trusted
Torí pé àwọn tán fọkàn tán,
betrayed his trust.
wọ́n dalẹ̀.
You cannot be a betrayer
Ó lè jẹ́ ọ̀dàlẹ̀
blessings of God.
kó sì ní ìbùkún Ọlọ́run.
All these ways I'm pointing to you.
Gbogbo àwọn ọ̀nà tí mò ń tọ́ka sí fún wa
They
yìí
are not ways that you can have a breakthrough in life.
kì í ṣe ọ̀nà àti di ọlọ́rọ̀ láyé o.
There are other people that believe in politics
Àwọn kan tó wá wà tán gbàgbọ́ ní òṣèlú
because they have lost out in all round ways.
torí pé gbogbo ọ̀nà tó kù náà ó ti já wọn kulẹ̀.
And so they want to carry election box
Wọ́n wá wòó pé kémi náà gbégbá bo
so that I can hit success.
kémi náà lè di aláṣeyọrí.
And so they go about looking for herbalists to make charm for them so
Wọ́n wá
that
wá
they will win
babaláwo
election.
láti ṣògùn fún wọn láti lè
I
borí
remember,
ìbò kan.
I remember a man
Mo rántí ọmọkùnrin kan.
came to me and he was confessing
Ó wá fún mi ó sì ń kà
that they are the one who kidnapped a pregnant woman for a particular politician in this western part of the country. They kidnapped that pregnant woman. They have to kill that woman, tear her stomach, remove that unborn baby to go and make sacrifice for the politicians to win.
ọmọkùnrin kà fún mi pé àwọn wà lára àwọn tó jí aláboyún kan gbé fún olóṣèlú kan ní ilẹ̀ yìí wípé àwọn sì pa aláboyún yẹn wọ́n sì la ikùn rẹ̀ wọ́n wá gbé ọmọ rẹ̀ jáde láti lọ fi ṣe ìrúbọ fún olóṣèlú yìí láti lè borí ìbò kan.
The man won the election.
ẹni yìí ó ṣàṣeyọrí ìbò yìí tó
But at
tọ́
the end of the day, it didn't end well.
ṣùgbọ́n kò parí dáadáa.
I want to tell you people,
mo fẹ́ sọ fún yín
all
ẹ̀yin èèyàn
these
mi
areas I pointed to you,
gbogbo àwọn ọ̀nà tí mo fi hàn wáyé
they are areas that have ruined the life of so many people.
ó jẹ́ àwọn ọ̀nà tó ti bà ayé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ jẹ́.
Come back to where we have our Bible ready.
ẹ jẹ́ ká wá padà wá sí ẹsẹ̀ bíbélì tá a kà.
Proverbs chapter 6.
ìwé òwe orí kẹfà
I'm reading from verse 6.
láti ẹsẹ̀ kẹfà.
He said, go to the ant,
Tọ́
thou
èrò
sluggard.
ìwọ ọ̀lẹ.
Go to the ant, thou sluggard.
tọ́ èrùn lọ ìwọ ọ̀lẹ.
Consider her ways
kíyèsí iṣẹ́ rẹ̀
and be wise.
kí ìwọ kí ó sì gbọ́n.
Look at ants.
ẹ wo àwọn èrùn.
They are creatures that give no sleep to their eyes.
ó jẹ́ ohun tí Ọlọ́run dá tí ò kì í sùn rárá.
Look at the ants.
ẹ wo àwọn èèrà yìí.
Let the rain fall and sweep away millions of them.
ẹ jẹ́ kí òjò rọ̀ kó sì gbá ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn lọ.
That will not make the rest to say we are no longer going to work.
eléyìí ò ní mú kí àwọn tó kù sọ pé àwo ẹ wo oyin
Honey bee,
agbọ́n
honey bee.
oyin
As they continue to make honey,
tí wọ́n ṣe ń kó oyin jọ
human being will come there.
àwọn èèyàn ó wá
They want to harvest the honey.
wọ́n wá gba oyin yìí
And they know that this bee will not allow them to harvest the honey.
wọ́n sì mọ̀ pé àwọn oyin yìí ò ní jẹ́ kí wọ́n kó àwọn oyin táwọn ti yé lẹ̀
They will carry fire,
wọ́n wá gbé iná
put on the mouth of the pot,
wọ́n wá gbé sí inú kòkò
and they begin to kill the honey bee
wọ́n á dẹ̀ máa pa àwọn oyin yìí
for making sweet honey.
nítorí pé wọ́n ya oyin àdídùn lẹ̀
They want to kill the producer so as to harvest.
wọ́n fẹ́ pa ẹni tó da láti lè jèrè rẹ̀
They will kill the honey bee and they harvest the honey.
wọ́n á pa àwọn oyin tó ń yé àwọn oyin yìí láti lè kó oyin wọn.
And the few that remain that did not die,
àwọn díẹ̀ tó wá kù tí ò kú
by the following day,
níjọ́ kejì
they will not sleep, they will not rest, they will start producing again.
wọn ò ní sùn wọn ò ní lọ sinmi wọn á tún bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní kó oyin jọ.
They see their fellow
wọ́n rí
dead.
àwọn tó kù wọn lẹ̀ tó ti kú.
Yet,
ṣùgbọ́n
that will not discourage them
eléyìí ò ní mú kí ọkàn wọn kó pòrúurú
because they want to become something in life.
torí pé wọ́n fẹ́ di nǹkan nínú ayé.
I want to tell you, brothers and
mo fẹ́
sisters,
sọ fún yín arákùnrin àti arábìnrin mi.
God never created you to be a failure in life.
ọlọ́run ò dá ọ láti jẹ ẹni tó ń kùnà nínú gbogbo nǹkan tó ń
God
ṣe.
never created you to be a beggar in life.
ọlọ́run ò dá ọ láti jẹ àtọrọjẹ.
God never created you that you be a follower in life.
ọlọ́run ò dá ọ láti kàn jẹ́ ọmọ ẹ̀yìn nìkan.
God never created you so that you will be looking at the face of others before you can survive.
ọlọ́run ò dá ọ láti máa wojú ẹlòmíì kan tó jẹun.
The problem many of us have
ìṣòro tí ọ̀pọ̀ wa ní ni
is
pé
that we are not ready to wait for the time of God.
a ò ṣetán láti dúró de àkókò ọlọ́run.
I will give you an illustration.
màá tún wá fún wa ní àpẹẹrẹ kan.
I read of a farmer
mo kà nípa àgbẹ̀ kan.
whose farm monkeys used to come.
nínú oko rẹ̀ àwọn ọ̀bọ àwọn àyà wọn máa ń wá bẹ̀.
They will come and tear all his corn away.
wọ́n á wá ya gbogbo àwọn àgbàdo tó gbìn.
And so one day
ọjọ́ kan
he now decided to do something.
ó wá pinnu láti ṣe nǹkan kan.
He removed those corn
ó yọ àwọn àgbàdo yẹn kúrò.
and put them in a pot that has a bottleneck.
Ó fi sínú ìgò tó ní ọrùn tínrín.
A pot, big
Ó
pot,
sínú kòkò ńlá
but has a bottleneck.
ṣùgbọ́n ó ní ọrùn tó tínrín.
Your hand can only enter that pot.
Ọwọ́ rẹ nìkan ló lè wọnú kòkò yìí.
So when you want to bring something out from that
Tó
pot,
bá fẹ́ mú nǹkan jáde láti inú kòkò yìí,
your hand will not be able to carry that thing.
ọwọ́ rẹ ò ní lè jáde nù rẹ̀.
Now the monkeys get there.
Àwọn ọ̀bọ yìí lọbẹ̀.
They will put hand inside the pot
Wọ́n á tọwọ́ bọnú kòkò yìí
and want to bring out the corn.
láti yọ àgbàdo jáde.
As he hold the corn,
Tí wọ́n ṣe di àgbàdo mú,
the corn will not be able to come out.
àgbàdo yìí ò ní lè jáde.
The monkey begin to struggle.
Àwọn ọ̀bọ yìí wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bàjà.
You must come,
Ìwọ àgbàdo yìí ó gbúdọ̀ jáde.
because this is where food is.
Torí ibi bí gangan ló ń jẹ́ wà.
And the rest will begin to say, we are taking your
Àwọn
own.
tó kó sì mọ̀ ní mú tí ẹjẹ́ mi náà mú tèmi.
But he's struggling there.
Ṣùgbọ́n ó ń dà ní ibẹ̀.
The farmer is coming.
Àgbẹ̀ sì ti ń bọ̀.
And the rest monkey ran away.
Àwọn ọ̀bọ tó kù wá sá lọ.
But this one want to take the corn.
Ṣùgbọ́n ẹyọ kan yìí ó ṣàfẹ́ mú àgbàdo yìí
He
jáde.
refused to leave the corn
Ó kọ̀ láti fi àgbàdo lẹ̀ láti
because
yọwọ́.
this is food.
Torí oúnjẹ rèé.
And the farmer will come until the farmer came
Ìgbà tí àgbẹ̀ sì wá dé
and hit something on his head
láti fọ́ nǹkan mọ́ lórí.
and kill the monkey
Ó
there.
sì pa ọ̀bọ yìí.
Many of us are like monkeys.
Ọ̀pọ̀ wá dàbí ọ̀bọ yìí.
We think that private company,
A rò pé àwọn iléeṣẹ́ aládàáni.
we believe in a secure,
A gbàgbọ́ nínú iṣẹ́.
we believe in a secure job.
A gbàgbọ́ nínú iṣẹ́ tó ṣe é fọkàn tán.
If you are employed to Kwara State ministry now, you know that your salary is sure.
Irú tí ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ Kwara bá gbà wá, a mọ̀ pé sálárì wa dájú.
Am I correct? You know that
Ṣé mo gbà?
you will get salary,
A mọ̀ pé níparí oṣù á gbowó oṣù.
you will go to leave,
Ẹ lọ líìvù.
you will have a transport allowance,
Ó gba owó pọ̀ ń gbé mọ́tò wá.
and maybe some of you have the brain of professors
A sì ní ọpọlọ bíi pòfẹ́sọ̀.
that can establish something and become a director.
Tó lè dá gbọ́ngàn di ọ̀gá.
The fear of the unknown,
Ẹ̀rù ohun tá ò mọ̀.
that if I go there now,
Pé tí n bá wá lọ bí,
if I start now,
tí n bá wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ rẹ̀,
and things do not work well,
tí ò bá wá yọrí ńkọ́.
where will I go?
Ibo mo fẹ́ lọ?
Who will feed me?
Ta ni ó bọ́ mi?
You are like that monkey that take his hand inside the pot
A dàbí ọ̀bọ tó kọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ bọ́nú kòkò yìí.
and he said, this is the only food.
Tó sì sọ pé oúnjẹ kan tó wà ní.
It reminds me
Ó mú mi rántí
of a hungry crocodile
Ó mú mi
and a
rántí-
thirsty igala.
ọ̀nì tí ebi ń pa àti àyà tó ń fò.
Thirsty igala.
Okay. Àti ìgalà tí òǹgbẹ ń gbẹ
In a desert,
nínú
there
aginjù.
was a little pond.
Omi kékeré kan wá wà ń bẹ̀.
A little pond.
Ibú omi kékeré kan wà ń bẹ̀.
The crocodiles are there, there is no food.
Àwọn ọ̀nì wà ń bẹ̀ kò sì sómi.
And
Kò sóúnjẹ.
they have been there looking for food, there is no food.
Wọ́n ti wà ń bẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ tó pẹ́ wọ́n ń wó oúnjẹ kò
They
sóúnjẹ.
came out, the heat of the sun was too much, they have to go back to the
Wọ́n
little
jáde
pond.
òòrùn ti pọ̀ jù ó lágbára jù fún ẹ̀mí wọn wọ́n padà sínú omi.
But inside the water, there is no food.
Ṣùgbọ́n nínú omi kò sóúnjẹ kankan.
And the igala that has been coming all the way looking for water,
Àwọn ìgalà tó sì wà ń bọ̀ tán ń wá omi yìí.
they now discover the little pond.
Wọ́n wá di pé omi wà ń bì.
Here is water
Omi rèé
that I'll be looking for.
tí mo ti ń wá tipẹ́tipẹ́.
Crocodile say, here is food
Ọ̀nì sọ pé oúnjẹ rèé
that I'll be looking for.
tí mo ti ń wá tipẹ́tipẹ́.
As the igala was coming,
Bí ìgalà yìí ṣe ti ń bọ̀,
he noticed the crocodile that shake,
ó rí àwọn ọ̀nì yìí tí wọ́n ṣe ń mira,
which are getting ready to eat it.
tí wọ́n ṣetán láti jẹun.
And this igala is ready to die, is almost dying.
Ìgalà yìí sì ti fẹ́ kú nítorí pé kò rómi mu.
Shall I go without this meat,
Ṣé kí
without
n
this
wá lọ
water?
mu omi yìí ni?
Or should I drink from this water?
Àbí kí n lọ mu nù omi?
Here is death,
Ikú ló dúró yìí.
here is life.
Omi rèé.
Should I drink and run away?
Ṣé kí n mú kí n sá lọ ni?
Or should I allow this crocodile to eat me?
Àbí kí n jẹ́ kí ọ̀nì yìí kó jẹ mí?
Igala waited for so many times.
Ìgalà yìí sì dúró ti rí.
And after some time,
Lẹ́yìn ìgbà díẹ̀,
he now decided,
ó wá pinnu.
let me take small
Ẹ jẹ́ n bu omi kékeré
and run away.
kí n sá lọ.
And as he was about putting the mouth there,
Bó ṣe fẹ́ kẹnu bọ́nú omi,
the crocodile lifted up his teeth
ọ̀nì sì lanu
and catch the neck,
ló bá gbé hánu.
and he died.
Ó wá pàjẹ́.
Crocodile was happy that my food has come.
Inú ọ̀nì dùn pé oúnjẹ mi wá.
The gala risked his life
ìgalà yìí sì fi ẹ̀mí rẹ̀
and
wéwu
ended his life there.
ó sì kú síbẹ̀.
Many of us, many of our people
ọ̀pọ̀ àwọn èèyàn wa
who ought to have become great in life,
tó yẹ kán ti di èèyàn ńlá nínú
they
ayé.
put their neck in that never profit them.
wọ́n kí ọrùn wọn bọ nǹkan tí kò lè yọrí sí èrè fún wọn
They
láíláí.
suffer under struggle and they die there.
wọ́n kàn jìyà lásán ni wọ́n sì kú síbẹ̀.
Look, you come to some certain places
a ti lọ àwọn ibi kan
because men are looking for a secure job.
torí pé àwọn èèyàn ń wá iṣẹ́ tó dájú tó yè kooro.
And they said, okay,
wọ́n wá ní ó dà.
it's better for me to be a security man than for me to start my own.
ó pé fún mi kí n máa wà lẹ́nu géètì yín kí n máa sọ yín ju kí n lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ tèmi
And
fúnra
at
mi
the end
lọ.
of the month,
lẹ́yìn ìparí oṣù
how much do they pay him?
èlò náà ń san fún un.
They pay him
wọ́n
20,000.
fún 20,000.
He has a wife,
ó níyàwó
he has 4 children,
ó ní ọmọ mẹ́rin.
and the children are already in secondary
gbogbo
school.
àwọn ọmọ yìí sì ti wà ní iléèwé secondary.
And one after the other, they begin to finish,
ọ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan wọ́n sì ń parí.
and they have brilliant brain.
wọ́n sì ní ọpọlọ tó dáa.
How can you feed your family with this 20,000
bó ló ṣe fẹ́ bọ́ ẹbí rẹ pẹ̀lú
and
20,000
send your son to university?
kó o sì rán ọmọ rẹ lọ iléèwé gíga.
And this is why people become manipulators.
ìdí nì tí àwọn èèyàn wá ń di ẹni tó ń yí ọlọ́kàn padà.
That is why they begin to turn paper in their office.
nítorí náà fi wá ń yí pépà nínú ọ́fíìsì
That
wọn.
is why people begin to embezzle government funds.
ìdí nì tá sì wá ń jí owó ìjọba.
This is why people are no longer straight.
ìdí nì tí ọ̀nà àwọn èèyàn ò fi tọ́ mọ́.
This is why people are no longer faithful.
ìdí nì táwọn èèyàn ò fi lóòótọ́ mọ́.
You cannot deal treacherously and expect the blessings of God to come upon your
o
life.
ò lè máa rìn ní ọ̀nà àlùmọ̀kọ́rẹ́ kó o sì máa retí ìbùkún ọlọ́run.
No, God doesn't bless people like that.
ọlọ́run ò kì í bùkún fún èèyàn bẹ́yẹn.
My friends,
ọ̀rẹ́ mi
there is a need for us to sit down.
ìdí wà fún wa láti jòkó.
There is a need for us
a
to sit
nílò
down.
láti jòkó.
And we must now think.
ká wá ronú.
What do we do?
kí la lè ṣe gan.
I want to give you another illustration.
mo tún fẹ́ fún wa lápẹẹrẹ mi.
You remember the safest place for a sheep is to be anchored on the seashore.
ẹ mọ̀ pé ibi tó dáa jù fún ọkọ̀ ojú omi láti wà ní ká fi kọ́ etí odò.
And when it's there,
ó wà fún.
nothing will happen to
kò
it.
sí tó lè ṣẹlẹ̀ sí omi ò lè gbé
It
lọ.
will not fulfill its purpose.
ṣùgbọ́n kò ní lè jẹ́ kí ohun tí a dá fún gan kó wá sí ìmúṣẹ.
If it's going to fulfill its purpose,
tí ó bá jẹ́ kí n tá a dá fún wá sí ìmúṣẹ.
it has to leave the seashore.
ó nílò láti kúrò níbi tí a dè é mọ́.
He has to risk it to travel.
ó nílò láti lọ
And going to a destination you never know.
kó sì mọ lọ sí ibi tí ò tiẹ̀ mọ̀ rí.
It is only then if you feel its purpose.
ibẹ̀ gan ni ìdí tá a fi dá yóò ṣe wá sí ìmúṣẹ.
I have gone to so many places.
mo ti lọ sí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ibi.
Many of our people are crying there is no job.
àwọn èèyàn wá ń pariwo kò síṣẹ́.
Everyone, anywhere you go, we have produced so many graduates that has no job.
ọ̀pọ̀ wa ní gbogbo ibi tá a bá lọ a rí àwọn èèyàn wa tó ti parí iléèwé tí ò rí iṣẹ́.
We cry to the government.
à ń sunkún sí ìjọba.
We protest.
kódà a máa ń fẹ̀hónú hàn.
We carry placards everywhere.
a máa gbé pépà sókè.
That doesn't help us.
èyí yóò ràn wá lọ́wọ́.
My friend, listen to me.
ọ̀rẹ́ mi ẹ tún gbọ́ mi.
The British man came and tell us.
àwọn òyìnbó wá wọ́n sì sọ fún wa.
They came and tell us
wọ́n wá wọ́n sọ fún wa.
that once you get educated
wípé ìwọ̀n ìgbà tí o bá ti kẹ́kọ̀ọ́
and you graduate,
tó o sì ti parí
you will get a secure job.
ó rí iṣẹ́ tó dáa.
And this made us to lose our focus.
eléyìí wá mú wa sọ ìfojúsùn wa nù.
And every one of us begin to look for job.
gbogbo wa wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní wá iṣẹ́.
But I want you to know
mo sì fẹ́ ká mọ̀
that in the Bible,
nínú bíbélì
Adam was not given a job.
a ò fún ádámù ní iṣẹ́.
Adam was not given a job.
a ò fún ádámù ní iṣẹ́.
Adam was not employed.
a ò gba ádámù síṣẹ́.
Adam was not receiving salary.
ádámù ò gba owó oṣù.
Adam was given a work.
a gbé iṣẹ́ lé lọ́wọ́ ni.
Your work is different from your job.
iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ rẹ yàtọ̀ sí iṣẹ́ oṣù rẹ.
You are employed in your job to do your work.
a gbà ọ́ síṣẹ́ níbi iṣẹ́ oṣù rẹ láti ṣe iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ rẹ ni.
And my friend, listen to me.
ọ̀rẹ́ mi sì gbọ́ mi dáadáa.
It is until you discover your purpose in life,
tí o bá ti lè mọ èrèdí tá a ṣe dá ọ sí ilé ayé
you will become a follower.
ní tí o bá ti mọ ìdí tá a fi dá ọ sí ilé ayé ó jẹ́ ọmọ ẹ̀yàn lásán.
There is a purpose why God sent you to this world.
ó ní ìdí tí ọlọ́run fi dá ọ sí ilé ayé.
In many churches today,
ọ̀pọ̀ ìjọ lónìí
pastors They
àwọn
know
olùṣọ́ àgùntàn.
that almost half of what comes inside the church is what they divide to the members.
wọ́n mọ̀ pé ìlàjì ohun tó ń wá sínú ìjọ náà ń pín fún àwọn ọmọ ìjọ.
In some places, the pastors cannot get their salary
irun nínú àwọn ìjọ míì àwọn ìránṣẹ́ ọlọ́run wọn rí owó oṣù wọn gbà.
because the money we spend in distributing to church that has no job is more than what can again have any other thing left for the ministers of
torí
God.
eye owó tó wà nù ìjọ tá à ń pín fún àwọn ọmọ ìjọ tí ò ní iṣẹ́ ó ju eye tó ń wọnú ìjọ lọ tá a tiẹ̀ lè fi sanwó oṣù fún àwọn ìránṣẹ́
It
ọlọ́run.
is time for us to begin to ask ourselves,
ó wá tó àkókò fún wa láti wá máa béèrè lọ́wọ́ ara wa
what can I do?
kí ni mo lè ṣe gan
What can I do?
kí ni mo lè ṣe.
I remember there was a woman in my church.
mo rántí pé obìnrin kan wà nínú ìjọ mi
He was asking, he was praying,
ó ń gbàdúrà
what can I do?
kí ni mo lè ṣe.
You know what God told her?
ẹ mọ tọ́lọ́run sọ fún wọn
Go and begin to sell cement paper.
lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ta pépà sìmẹ́ǹtì.
Is that a good thing?
ṣé iṣẹ́ tó dànù
Cement paper.
pépà sìmẹ́ǹtì.
The woman obeyed.
obìnrin sì gbọ́ràn.
And he goes about looking for where they were building houses.
ó wá ń lọ káàkiri láti mọ wábi tán ti ń kọ́lé.
And a widow.
opó ni obìnrin yìí kò lọ́kọ.
And he has 3 children
ó
that were
sì ní ọmọ
still
mẹ́ta
in secondary school.
tí wọ́n sì wà nínú secondary school gbà.
One has graduated.
ìkan tiẹ̀ ti parí.
And so he began to go about gathering paper of cement.
ó wá ń kó pépà sìmẹ́ǹtì jọ.
And that woman began to sell those papers.
obìnrin wa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ta pépà sìmẹ́ǹtì.
Do you know what happened?
ṣé ẹ mọ tó ṣẹlẹ̀.
He sponsored all the other 3 universities.
ó rán ọmọ mẹ́ta tó kù nínú iléèwé gíga.
And he began to build house before the 3 finished their
ó
school.
sì bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní kọ́ ilé kí àwọn mẹ́ta yìí tó parí iléèwé.
Today,
lónìí
that woman is comfortably living in a 4-bedroom flat.
obìnrin yìí ń gbé ìgbé ayé ìrọ̀rùn nínú ilé 4-bedroom flat.
Why?
kí nìdí.
Because he obeyed.
ó gbọ́rọ̀.
A graduate came to Baba Oyelami some years ago
ẹni tó ti parí iléèwé wá rí bàbá Oyèlámì ní àwọn ọdún kan sẹ́yìn.
and he said, Baba, pray for me
ó ní bàbá ẹ gbàdúrà fún mi
that I will get a job.
kí n ríṣẹ́.
And Baba looked at him and
bàbá
said,
sì wò ó sọ fún.
I heard a voice that you should go and sell cement.
mo gbọ́ òun pé kọ́ lọ́ máa ta sìmẹ́ǹtì.
And the man obeyed.
ó sì gbọ́ràn.
To even get the first 10 bag was a problem.
láti rí àpò mẹ́wàá àkọ́kọ́ tó fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ ogun ni.
After some times,
lẹ́yìn ìgbà díẹ̀
before Baba Oyelami died,
kí bàbá Oyèlámì tó
the
ṣaláìsí.
man has got 8 trailers that are carrying cement for him. He has bought those trailers that were buying cement and they were helping to supply.
ọmọkùnrin ti ní tírélà mẹ́jọ tó ń bá kó sìmẹ́ǹtì tó sì ń bá ń pín tó ń bá ń tà káàkiri.
Listen to me.
ẹ gbọ́ mi dáadáa.
When you sit on the fence,
nígbà tí o bá jókòó lórí igun.
and we believe that once we pray,
wípé a sì wá gbàgbé pé tá a bá ti lè gbàdúrà.
heaven will open,
ọ̀run ó ṣí.
money will fall,
owó ó jábọ́.
and we become
a ó sì
overnight.
dolówó láàrin ọ̀sán kan.
There is no magic to that.
kò sí ọ̀nà àmùlọ̀kọ́rí sí eléyìí
The
o.
Bible says, go to the ant,
bíbélì ní pé ẹ lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn èrò.
O ye sluggard,
ìwọ ọ̀lẹ
and copy or learn his
sì
way.
lọ kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀.
I was surprised that my daughter came back from service
ó yà mí lẹ́nu pọ́mọ mi dé láti àgùnbánirọ̀.
because when she finished, before she go to service,
torí pé nígbà tó parí kó tó lọ
she began to make hair cream
ó bẹ̀rẹ̀
Hair
sí ní
lotion.
ṣe ìpara orí
for women.
fún àwọn obìnrin.
And when she went to the camp,
ìgbà tó wá lọ sí kámpù
she continued there.
ó tún wá ń ṣe sí
As soon as she returned,
ìgbà tó dé.
you know what he told me?
ṣé ẹ mọ̀ tó sọ fún mi.
He said, Daddy,
dádì
because of capital,
nítorí owó
the money to expand this business.
owó láti sọ okòwò yìí di ńlá.
He said, I only want to work for 6 months
mo kàn fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ fóṣù mẹ́fà ni
so as to gather money.
kówó jọ.
And when I gather money after 6
tí n bá
months,
ti kówó jọ lẹ́yìn oṣù mẹ́fà
I don't want to work anymore. I
èmi
will
ò sí
continue on
mọ́
this.
mo fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ okòwò tèmi fúnra mi.
I just look at her. Where did you catch this spirit?
mo wò pé ibo ló ti gbá èmi yìí mú.
Because all along my life,
torí ní gbogbo ọjọ́ ayé tèmi
I never planned to take salary from any human being.
èmi ò rò nínú ọkàn mi rí láti gba owó oṣù lọ́wọ́ ẹnikẹ́ni.
I never planned to be someone who will be receiving salary, who will be expecting salary.
èmi ò rórí èmi ò sì pinnu rẹ̀ nínú ọkàn mi pé èmi ò mọ gbowó oṣù lọ́wọ́
Hear me
ẹnikẹ́ni.
tonight.
Ẹ gbọ́ mi lónìí.
I want to encourage you.
Mo fẹ́ rọ̀ wá.
There are some certain things God built inside you.
Àwọn kan wà tí Ọlọ́run ti gbé sínú wa.
You can be a civil servant
O lè jẹ́ òṣìṣẹ́ ìjọba ń tòótọ́.
and begin to practice your own work.
Kó o sì bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ ti ara rẹ.
As at the time the thing begin to grow,
Ìgbà tí kinní wa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ga,
you will hit a breakthrough.
ó kan àṣeyọrí kan.
But
Ṣùgbọ́n
many of us pray
ọ̀pọ̀ wa kàn ń gbàdúrà ni.
and we are looking for someone who will come from Germany
A sì ń retí èèyàn kan tí ó wá láti ìlú òyìnbó.
who will say, I want somebody I can give 1 billion naira to be running a business for me.
Tí ó wà ní pé mo fẹ́ èèyàn kan tí mo lè fún ní bílíọ̀nù kan tí ó máa bá mi ṣe okòwò.
And give that money to that man.
A yóò sì kówó ìfẹ́ ni.
He will run away with that money.
Yóò sá lọ towótowó ni.
My brother, listen to me.
Ẹ gbọ́ mi.
God promised to bless the work of your hand.
Ọlọ́run ṣèlérí láti bùkún fún iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ rẹ
He
ni.
did not promise that he will just send a miracle to you.
Kò lérí láti rán owó ìyanu sí wa.
I have sat down where some preachers were preaching that God will cancel your debt.
Ipe Ọlọ́run ó pa gbogbo gbèsè rẹ rẹ́.
He didn't say cancel. If he cancel your debt,
Tọ́lọ́run bá pa gbèsè rẹ rẹ́.
the person you owe,
Ẹni tó wá jẹ́ ń gbèsè nǹkan.
did you increase him or you rob him?
Ṣé o gbé sókè ní àbò rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ àbò jà lólè?
A man was giving testimony on the television one time.
Ọkùnrin kan ń jẹ́rìí lórí amóhùnmáwòrán gbà kan.
He said when he owed the bank
Ipe ìgbà tó ń jẹ báńkì lówó.
and the people now begin to threaten to arrest him.
Wọ́n wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní halẹ̀ mọ́ ipá wọn ó fọlọ́pàá gbé.
He ran away from the town. He went to the prayer mountain
Ó sá kúrò nínú ìlú ó lọ orí òkè.
and he began to pray.
Ó wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní gbàdúrà.
It was there he was when they announced that the bank was now distressed.
Ibẹ̀ ló wà tí wọ́n ti wá sọ fún pé wọ́n ti da báńkì rú.
So the bank closed down.
Báńkì wá padé.
And he was saying, thank God, by
Ó wá
now
ní ẹ bá mi dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run
you would
o.
have been in prison.
Èmi ò bá ti wà nú ẹ̀wọ̀n.
God has cancelled his debt.
Ọlọ́run ti pa gbogbo gbèsè
No,
mi rẹ́.
you are a robber.
Olè ni ọ́.
There are some of us,
Ọ̀pọ̀ wa la wà ń bì.
if not because of the intervention of the NDIC, Nigeria Deposit Insurance Company, many people would have not get their money again.
Tí ìbá ṣe torí ìdásí àwọn àjọ tí ìjọba gbé kalẹ̀ tí ń ṣe àmójútó àwọn owó wa, ọ̀pọ̀ èèyàn ní onírówó rẹ̀ gbà mọ́.
Many of these big men you see,
Gbogbo àwọn olówó ńláńlá tá à ń wò yìí.
they have siphoned the bank money.
Wọ́n ti gba owó lọ́wọ́ àwọn báǹkì yìí.
Where are those big people?
Ibo làwọn èèyàn ńláńlá yìí wà?
Why is their company closing down?
Kí ló dé tí iléeṣẹ́ wọn ń dojúbolẹ̀?
Because many of them were not faithful.
Torí pé ọ̀pọ̀ wọn ni òjò lóòótọ́.
And God is looking for faithful people.
Ọlọ́run sì ń wá àwọn olóòótọ́.
God wants to really lift you up.
Ọlọ́run ní tòótọ́ fẹ́ gbé ọ̀gá.
He wants to bless you.
Ó fẹ́ bùkún
He
fún ọ.
wants to increase you.
Ó fẹ́ sọ ọ́ di ńlá.
But you must take a step.
Ṣùgbọ́n ó gbúdọ̀ gbé ìgbésẹ̀.
What are you good at?
Kí ni nǹkan ẹyọ kan gan tó wá mọ̀ sí?
I remember the message Idahosa preached before he died.
Mo rántí ìwàásù tí bàbá Ìdáhùsá wà kan tó kú.
When he was preaching that last message,
Nígbà tí wọ́n ń ṣe ìwàásù yìí.
he went to the keyboardist, the man who was playing the
Wọ́n
keyboard.
lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ ẹni tó ń tẹ dùrù.
Know what he told him?
Ẹ máa ń tọ́
He
sọ fún
said,
ọ.
if you can play this thing well,
Tó bá lè ta kinní dáadáa,
he said there are houses inside
ilé wà nù rẹ̀
that will come out for you.
tí ó jáde fún ọ.
There are vehicles inside
Mọ́tò wà nù rẹ̀
that will come out.
tí ó jáde fún ọ.
He went to the one who was playing guitar.
Wọ́n lọ sọ́dọ̀ ẹni tó ń tẹ
He
gìtá.
said, if you can play this thing
Tó
well,
bá lè ta kinní dáadáa,
there are houses inside.
ilé wà nù rẹ̀.
There are vehicles inside.
Mọ́tò wà nù rẹ̀.
And he looked at almost everybody. He pointed to this one.
Wọ́n
He
wá
said,
náwó sí wọn lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan.
if you can focus on this, your
Tí o
business,
bá lè gbójúmọ́ tó ń ṣe yìí,
the whole world will hear your voice.
gbogbo àgbáyé ní ó gbóhùn rẹ̀.
Let me tell you,
Ẹ jẹ́ n sọ fún yín.
people complain there is no work,
Àwọn èèyàn ń kùn, wọ́n sọ pé kò síṣẹ́.
there is no job.
Kò sí iṣẹ́.
I know of a woman
Mo mọ obìnrin kan
who decided to be selling palm oil.
tó tó kàn ṣe ìpinnu nínú ọkàn rẹ̀ láti mọ tepo pupa.
He went to the village
Ó lọ sí abúlé.
and negotiate with the people producing palm oil.
Wọ́n wá lọ bá àwọn tó ń ṣe epo yìí, ó lọ bá wọn dúnàdúrà.
He paid for two 20 liter tin.
Wọ́n sanwó 20 litre méjì.
And he told those people to give him 3.
Ipe wọ́n wá sọ fún ẹ pé tí n bá ti sanwó méjì o, mẹ́ta lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ fún mi.
No. I add 3 to it.
Ok, ẹ fi mẹ́ta kún kó lè jẹ́ márùn-ún.
The whole thing will become 5.
Gbogbo ẹ̀ wà jẹ́ márùn-ún.
If I finish selling the 5,
Tí n bá wá ta márààrún tán,
I will bring the whole money for 5.
mi wà tún kó owó gbogbo márààrún wá.
You will add another 3.
Ó tún wá fi mẹ́ta kún.
I will sell it again.
Màá tún wá lọ tà á.
I will bring the money.
Màá kó owó mẹ́jọ yìí wá.
The woman, because she was committed to paying what she borrowed,
Torí pé obìnrin yìí fọkàn sí àti máa san tó yá.
she was faithful.
Ó tún wá jẹ́ olóòótọ́.
Today,
Lónìí,
she loads palm oil with 911
9/11 náà fi ń kó epo pupa.
because she was faithful with that little
Torí pé ó
appointment.
jẹ́ olóòótọ́ sí ohun kékeré yẹn.
The people now will put over hundreds of kegs.
Àwọn èèyàn wà kó bíi 120 litre.
And when he came,
Ìgbà tó sì dé,
they will pack them,
yóò wá kó.
take them to the town,
Yóò wá kó lọ sínú ìlú gangan.
distribute to people selling in retail.
Yóò tún wá lọ tà fún àwọn tí ó mọ tún tà.
And as at the time he's distributing
Ìgbà
that
tó
one,
sì ń pín,
he is collecting the money they've sold.
ó ń gba owó rẹ̀.
Listen to me.
Ẹ gbọ́ mi.
You will look at that and say it's a dirty business.
Ẹ wò ó pé ìdọ̀tí lélẹ́yìí jèrè mi ò lè ṣe.
You go to where these Hausa people bring tomatoes.
Ok, ẹ wá lọ bí tí àwọn Hausa ti ń kó tòmátì wá.
And you go there and tell them,
Ẹ tì wá lọ sọ fún wọn.
give me 3 baskets
Ẹ fún mi ní báskẹ̀tì mẹ́ta.
and I will return the money to you.
Yìí sì dówó rẹ̀ padà.
And when you are faithful with that,
Tí wọ́n bá wá jẹ́ olóòótọ́ sí eléyìí.
Hausa man will give you 5 next time.
Hausa ò fún ọ márùn-ún sí nígbà
If
tó
you
bá
are
padà wá.
faithful with
Tó
that,
bá tún wá jẹ́
Hausa
olóòótọ́,
man will give you 10.
yóò fún ọ mẹ́wàá.
But the problem is this.
Ṣùgbọ́n ìṣòro tó wà ń bẹ̀ ní eléyìí.
Once we carry that one
Tó bá ṣe kó ìyún báyìí,
and you sell,
tó sì tà.
my friend, we want to go for party at Ijebu-Ode.
Ó fẹ́ lọ fún patí ní Ìjẹ̀bú Òde.
You want to remember that your mother who died 5 years ago, you
Eh.
did not bury her well.
Ẹ rántí pé ìyá rẹ̀ tó kú ní ọdún márùn-ún sẹ́yìn, ọ̀fẹ́ yín ẹ̀rì yẹn padà.
You now remember that the clothes you are wearing, you ought to buy clothes that will match your standard.
Ẹ wá rántí pé mo fẹ́ ra aṣọ tí ó gbé àwọ̀ mi jáde ní tòótọ́.
I lived in River State for more than 8 years.
Mo gbé ní ìpínlẹ̀ River fún kọjá ọdún mẹ́jọ.
And I was able to see the Igbo man how they raise their business.
Mo wá ń rí bí àwọn Igbo ṣe ń ṣe bísínẹ́sì wọn.
In those days,
Ní àwọn ìgbà yẹn,
Igbo man will be riding Honda 175.
yóò mọ wa mọ́tò
Motorcycle. Honda
ok
175.
ọ̀kadà 175 ayé ìgbà yẹn.
He will be riding it.
Òun ni ó mọ̀ wà.
And you will discover
Ó sì wá rí i pé
that the man riding Honda 175,
ọmọkùnrin tí ń wa ọ̀kadà ayé ìjọ yìí.
he has more than 5 shops where they are selling spare parts.
Ó ní bíṣọ́ọ̀bù márùn-ún tán ti ń ta páàtì mọ́tò.
He can ride a car.
Ó lè wa mọ́tò, ó lè ra mọ́tò.
He will be using Okada.
Yóò mọ̀ lọ ọ̀kadà rẹ̀ lọ.
And the next thing you will see him do,
Ìtẹ́wàá rí tí ó
he will go and buy a pickup.
yóò wá lọ ra móòlù ẹ̀.
A pickup.
Yeah, pickup.
van. The pickup to be carrying the goods he buy.
Pickup yóò wá máa fi kó àwọn ẹrù tó bá rà.
Once he bring those loads,
Tó bá ṣe já àwọn ẹrù yẹn,
he distribute them to the shop.
ó wá ń pín sí gbogbo àwọn
He
ṣọ́ọ̀bù
be riding
lẹ́yọ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan.
Okada.
Yóò sì
around
tún
the
máa wá ọ̀kadà rẹ̀ kiri.
But what do most of our brothers do?
Ṣùgbọ́n táwọn èèyàn wá ń bì í
They
ṣe
just get one shop.
kàn ní ṣọ́ọ̀bù kan.
And what did he do?
Kí ni ó ṣe?
He begin to marry wives.
Yóò wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní fẹ́yàwó kiri.
And in the evening,
Tó bá wá dọ̀wọ́ alẹ́,
he will begin, you will see him in the beer parlor. He
ẹ
sit
wá
down.
rí nílé ọtí tí ó jókòó.
And they begin to drink and drink.
Yóò wá mu ọtí yóò kẹ́ri.
Listen to me.
Ẹ gbọ́ mi.
That is why you see that in many of our cities and our towns, strangers succeed more than indigenous.
Ìdí nìta wà mọ̀ fi rí i pé nínú àwọn ìlú wa, àwọn àlejò máa ń ṣàṣeyọrí ju àwọn ọmọ onílẹ̀ gan lọ.
Because the indigenous will relax.
Torí pé àwọn tó nílùú wọn kàn jòkó ni.
It's our town.
Ìlú wa ni.
You people are here just to come and work.
Àlejò kan ní yín bí.
Why are the South African killing Nigeria?
Kí ló táwọn èèyàn South Africa ṣe ń pa àwọn èèyàn Nàìjíríà?
And the Nigerian they are killing, go and find out.
Ẹ sì lọ wádìí àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà tó ń pa ẹ̀.
If they kill 10 Nigerians in South Africa,
Tí wọ́n bá pa ọmọ Nàìjíríà 10 ní South Africa,
7 of them are Igbo people.
méje nu wọn ọmọ Ìgbò ni.
Why?
kí nìdí.
Because they believe in struggle, believe in
Wọ́n gbàgbọ́
establishment.
nínú iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ pé yìí ti bá fọwọ́ mi ṣe.
Before you see an Igbo man begin to ride the kind of car you will see with him,
kí ẹ tó lè rí i pé ọmọ Ìgbò ń wa irú mọ́tò tó wù.
he has got what he needed in life.
ó ti ní gbogbo ohun tó fẹ́ ní nínú ayé ni.
How many Igbo men you see that marry 5 wives?
ọmọ Ìgbò mélòó lẹ́rìn rí tó ń fẹ́ yàwó 5?
Huh? How many times did you see an Igbo man who will tell you that the mother who died 10 years ago, he want to turn the second?
ẹ̀mẹ́ ló lẹ́ ti gbẹ́ pọ́ ọmọ Ìgbò ní pé ìyá òun tó ti kú fọ́dún 10 òun fẹ́ yí ẹ̀yìn rẹ̀ padà.
I watch many of our brothers.
mo máa ń wo àwọn arákùnrin wa.
Look at the clothes they wear.
ẹ wo aṣọ tán wọ̀.
Look at the thing they put on their body.
ẹ wo ẹyin tán fi ṣe ẹ̀ṣọ́ ara.
Look at, listen to feel the perfume in their body.
ẹ gbọ́ òórùn tó ń jáde lára wọn.
And when you see them go,
tẹ bá wá rí wọn tán ń lọ.
you will think they are governors.
ẹ rò pé àwọn ni gómìnà ìlú.
My friend,
ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
you can do better.
ẹ tún lè ṣe dáadáa
God
jù yìí lọ.
has a plan for you.
Ọlọ́run ní ètò tó dára
There
fún
is
wa.
a place for you up there.
Àyè wà fún ọ ní òkè.
Don't just sit down and fold your hand.
wọ́n kàn jòkó kọ sí káwọ́ gbéra.
Don't be writing letters to churches.
ẹ má kọ lẹ́tà sí àwọn ìjọ mọ́.
You see somebody will say,
ẹ rí èèyàn tí ó jókòó tó
he
ní.
will come to the pastor. Can you help me raise fund?
ẹ jọ pásítọ̀ ṣe lè bá mi ṣe ìkówójọ.
Can you tell church member to contribute
ṣe
money
lè
for
sọ
me?
fáwọn ọmọ ìjọ kan dáwó fún mi.
Listen to me.
ẹ gbọ́ mi.
There are people going from one church to the other collecting poor offering.
àwọn kan wà tí wọ́n ń lọ láti ìjọ sí ìjọ tó ń gba ọrẹ atọrọbárà.
Hear me today.
ẹ tún gbọ́ mi lónìí.
You can never collect poor offering and make it in life.
ọ̀ lè gba ọrẹ atọrọbárà kan sì dèèyàn ńlá láyé.
Yeah, it's not possible.
kò possible.
You are a beggar and you will remain a beggar.
Atọrọ ni ọ sì mọ jẹ́ atọrọ láéláé ni.
That is why when beggars come,
ìdí ni tí àwọn tó ń tọrọ bá wá.
I will always instruct our pastors,
mo
give them
máa sọ
whatever you
fáwọn pásítọ̀ wa ẹ fún wọn ní tẹ bá ní.
and that is why people come around.
ìdí ni táwọn èèyàn tó wá fi ń wá sí.
They tell a lot of lies.
wọ́n wàá sọ àwọn rọ́bàǹtàbàǹtà.
If you meet pastors that are here
tẹ
now,
bá bá àwọn pásítọ̀ tó wà ń bì.
and they will tell you what they used to see every day,
wọ́n wàá sọ fún yín tẹ́ tí wọ́n ń gbọ́ lójoojúmọ́.
somebody will tell you that I was coming.
èèyàn kò sọ fún pé tí mo ṣe ń bọ̀.
The Okada erode.
ọ̀kadà tó gbé mi.
He robbed my money.
ó jalè mi.
I am not looking for money to
mo
go
wá ń
back.
wo owó àti padà sílé.
Some people will tell you,
àwọn kan tún sọ fún
the
ọ.
person I came to visit in
ẹni tí
Ilorin,
mo wá kí ní Ìlọrin.
as at the time I got there,
ìgbà tí màá fi dé Ìlọrin.
they say they transfer him to Sokoto.
wọ́n náà ti transfer rẹ̀ lọ Sókótó.
Some people will tell you,
ẹlòmíì ò tún sọ fún yín.
as at the time I come to
ìgbà
Ilorin,
tí mo fi máa délùú Ìlọrin
my
sẹ́
telephone died.
fóònù mi kú.
And I don't know where he lives.
mi wàá mọ ibi tí ń gbé.
And so there is no how I can
kò
go.
tiẹ̀ wá sí bí mo ṣe fẹ́ lọ bì
I
kankan.
need money.
ẹ dákun ẹ fún mi
I
lówó.
want a place I want something to eat.
ibi tí ètì ẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ jẹun náà.
Somebody will come around.
èèyàn kò tiẹ̀ tún wá wá.
They tell you our father is in the hospital
a sọ fún mi pé bàbá àwọn wà nínú ilé ìwòsàn.
and they want money for operation.
àwọn sì ń wọ́wọ́ operation.
Other people will take photograph of sick people
ẹlòmíì ò tún mú fọ́tò aláìsàn wá.
and they begin to show them
a
around.
wá máa fi hàn yín.
And he say, we need money.
ẹ dákun mo nílò owó.
Help us.
ẹ ràn mí lọ́wọ́.
God will have mercy on you
ọlọ́run náà
too.
ràn yín náà lọ́wọ́.
Listen to me.
ẹ gbọ́ mi.
When you are going about like that,
tí o bá ń lọ bí eléyìí.
you are destroying your future.
ò ń ba ọjọ́ iwájú rẹ jẹ́ ni.
You are telling God,
ó sọ fún Ọlọ́run pé
I don't want to be responsible.
ìfẹ́ jẹ́yàn pàtàkì láyé
I
o.
don't want to make it in life.
ìtì ẹ̀fẹ́ ní nǹkan kan.
I enjoy doing what I am
ó
doing.
tẹ́ mi lọ́rùn bí mo ṣe ń tọrọ yìí.
And there is no amount of prayer you pray that
kò
God will
sì
lead
sírú
you.
àdúrà tó fẹ́ gbà tí ó yé yìí padà.
Listen to me,
ẹ
people.
tún gbọ́ mi.
It is time for us to wake up.
àkókò tó fún wa láti jí.
It is time for us to rise.
àkókò tó fún wa láti dìde.
It is time for us to do something.
àkókò ní fún wa láti ṣe nǹkan.
I used to tell people,
mo máa sọ fún àwọn èèyàn.
I said, if you don't do something,
tí o ò bá ṣe nǹkan.
something will do you.
nǹkan ó sì ọ.
Which one do you prefer?
èwo ló wá tẹ́ wa lọ́rùn.
For something to do you
nínú kí nǹkan ṣe wá.
or for you to do something?
àbí ká ṣe nǹkan.
I've seen people, they say that church have no mercy.
mo ti rí àwọn èèyàn tó sọ pé kò sí àánú nínú ìjọ yìí.
That pastor has no mercy.
pásítọ̀ yìí gan kò tiẹ̀ láàánú àwọn èèyàn.
In fact, a man came to me some years ago.
ọmọkùnrin kan tiẹ̀ wá bá mi láwọn ọdún kan.
You know what he told me?
ẹ mọ tó sọ fún mi.
He said
ó ní
he needed some certain help.
àwọn nílò àwọn ìrànlọ́wọ́ kan.
I put my hand in my pocket.
mo tọwọ́ mi bàpò.
I gave him what I should give him.
mo fún un ní tí ó wà lọ́wọ́ mi.
You know what he said?
ẹ mọ tó sọ.
He said, please, I'm
Ẹ má jọ̀ọ́.
not just asking you.
ó ní mi kàn bí yín.
I want you to go to the poor offering.
Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ lọ sínú ọrẹ àwọn aláìní.
and give me something there.
Kẹ́ fún mi ní nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀.
So you know there is poor offering.
Yóò ẹ mọ̀ ẹ̀pọ̀ rẹ wà fáwọn aláìní.
I pray
Mo
that
gbàdúrà.
Satan will not ruin our lives.
Èṣù ò ní ba ayé wa jẹ́ lórúkọ Jésù.
Amen.
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 That is why I want to briefly share with you before
Ìdí ni
we.
tí mo ṣe fẹ́ sọ fún wa ní kúkúrú gbòǹgbò kí a tó máa lọ.
Number one,
Àkọ́kọ́,
you need to develop a strong value system for your life.
a nílò láti ní ọ̀nà kan tó ṣe gbòógì nínú ayé wa gan tá à ń gbà.
Many people want to start a business.
Àwọn kan wà tán fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ okòwò.
When they were security men,
Ìgbà tí wọ́n jẹ́ ẹni tó ń ṣọ́nà.
they said they are there for 6 in the morning to 6 in the evening.
Wọ́n láwọn wà bẹ́ẹ̀ láti aago mẹ́fà àárọ̀ di aago mẹ́fà àrọ̀lẹ́.
They must be there before 6.
Wọ́n gbúdọ̀ débẹ̀ káago mẹ́fà tó
And
lù.
they cannot leave that place before 6.
Wọ́n sì lè kúrò ńbẹ̀ tí aago mẹ́fà àrọ̀lẹ́ ò bá lù.
If they are to work 6 in the evening to 6 in the morning,
Tí wọ́n bá máa ṣiṣẹ́ láti aago mẹ́fà àrọ̀lẹ́ di aago mẹ́fà àárọ̀,
they will be there.
wọ́n máa wà ńbẹ̀.
But when they start their own,
Ṣùgbọ́n tán bá wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ tiwọn,
what do?
kí náà mọ̀ ṣe?
They can sleep till 10 o'clock.
Oorun yá dago mẹ́wàá.
Say, I'm not in a hurry, I'm the owner of my business.
Kò sẹ́ni tí ń lé mi, ṣèbé mi lọ̀gá ara mi.
Listen to me.
Ẹ gbọ́ mi.
Even if it is air you are
Kódà
plaiting,
kó bá jẹ́ irun lẹ̀ ń kó,
go there in the morning.
ẹ lọ bẹ̀ láàárọ̀.
Be disciplined as you were when you were serving others.
Ẹ jẹ́ kó mọ́ wa lára bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣe fún ẹlòmíràn láti ṣe fúnra yín.
I have seen people,
Mo ti rí àwọn èèyàn.
they complain that this business is not working.
Wọ́n ní okòwò mi yìí gan ò lọ.
This one is not working.
Eléyìí gan ò ṣiṣẹ́.
You know why?
Ṣé ẹ mọ̀ dí?
They tried this one 3 months.
Wọ́n tọ́ ilé ìwò fóṣù mẹ́ta.
They leave that place.
Wọ́n filẹ̀.
They try another one 3
Wọ́n tún
months.
lọ ṣe ilé ìfóṣù mẹ́ta.
They sell Gary these 3
Wọ́n
months.
ta gàrí fóṣù mẹ́ta.
They leave it.
Wọ́n tún filẹ̀.
They begin to sell beans.
Wọ́n tún bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ta ẹ̀wà.
They soon move from that place again.
Wọ́n tún kúrò ńbẹ̀.
They begin to sell tomato.
Wọ́n tún bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ta tòmátì.
They leave that place
Wọ́n tún
again.
kúrò ńbẹ̀.
My friend,
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
it is said
A ti sọ yí pé
in the book of the elders,
nínú ìwé àwọn àgbà
when you urinate in one place,
tí o bá dúró pẹ́ sójú kan,
when you urinate,
tó bá tọ̀ sí ojú kan,
that is when it foam.
ibẹ̀ ni orúkú rẹ̀ ó ti máa jáde.
But if you have urinated along the road,
Ṣùgbọ́n tó bá wá ń tọ̀ káàkiri,
what will happen?
kí ni ó ṣẹlẹ̀?
You will not even see the traces.
Ẹ tí ẹ̀ ní rí ipa ìtọ̀ yìí.
You must persevere.
Ó gbúdọ̀ tẹra mọ́.
You must hold on.
Ó gbúdọ̀ dúró tiiri.
You must be ready for challenges.
Ó gbúdọ̀ ṣetán fún gbogbo ìdojúkọ tí ó jáde.
You must know that people are going to challenge
Ó
what you
gbúdọ̀
carry.
mọ̀ pé àwọn èèyàn kan ó dojúkọ.
There are going to be persecution.
Wọ́n ti ẹ̀ pè ọ́ ní ìjà gidigidi ni.
I remember
Mo rántí
when I was starting my first church,
nígbà tí mò ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìjọ mi àkọ́kọ́.
the kind of battle I faced.
Irú ogun tí mo jà.
The landlord fought me.
Onílé bá mi jà.
I mean the landlord association.
Gbogbo àwọn àkójọpọ̀ àwọn onílé wọ́n bá mi jà.
They sent armed robber to come and carry all our instruments.
Wọ́n rán olè láti wá kó gbogbo àwọn instrumenti tá à ń lò.
They threatened me with court.
Wọ́n tún fi ilé ẹjọ́ dẹ́rù bà mí.
They came with police many
Wọ́n
times.
kọ́ ọlọ́pàá wá lọ́pọ̀ ìgbà.
I was in the vigil one night
Mo wà nínú ìṣòro ní alẹ́ kan.
between 1 and 2 a.m.
Láàrin aago kan sí aago méjì.
They brought police to come and arrest me.
Wọ́n kọ́ ọlọ́pàá wá láti wá mú mi.
That was the day I knew police does not enter church to come and arrest a man.
Ọjọ́ yẹn ni mo mọ̀ pé ọlọ́pàá ò lè wọnú ìjọ láti wá mú èèyàn.
Especially when you are the one ministering.
Tó bá tiẹ̀ tún wá jẹ́ pé wọ́n ló ń wàásù.
They waited outside.
Wọ́n dúró ń ta.
When I see them wait for a long time,
Nígbà tí mo rí pé wọ́n ti dúró pẹ́.
I decided to go and ask them, what are you looking for?
Mo wá lọ bá wọn pé àkílẹ̀ ń wà.
They said they should come and bring me.
Wọ́n ní káwọn wá mú mi ni.
I said, bring me?
Ẹ wá mú mi.
Why?
Kí ló dé?
They said, because when I get to the station,
Tí n bá ti dé station.
I told them,
Mo sọ fún wọn.
I don't believe you are police.
Èmi ò gbàgbọ́ pé ọlọ́pàá ni yín
And I
o.
don't believe you are original.
Mi sì gbàgbọ́ pé ògbólógbò ọlọ́pàá gan ni yín.
I am not following you.
Èmi ò tẹ̀lé yín o.
If you know I am a criminal,
Tẹ bá mọ̀ pé ó lè ní mi.
I stretch out my hand immediately.
Ọwọ́ mi rèé.
I said, put your handcuff and take me off.
Ẹ kó ṣẹ́kẹ́ṣẹkẹ̀ sí mi lọ́wọ́ kẹ́ mọ́ mú mi
But
lọ.
for me to follow you,
Ṣùgbọ́n pé kí n máa tẹ̀lé yín.
around this
Láago
1:30,
méjì òru.
I'm not going to follow
Èmi
you.
ò lọ bí kankan o.
They left.
Wọ́n lọ.
I came back ministering.
Mo padà wá sórí pẹpẹ tí wọ́n wàásù.
Then I just called one of the pastors.
mo wá pè kan náà àwọn olùṣọ́ àgùntàn.
I said, begin to lead the people in prayer.
ìwọ ṣáà mọ̀ darí àdúrà.
Let me go and meet those people.
mo wá tún lọ bá wọn.
I trekked for more than 20 minutes that night
mo rìn fún bí 20 ìṣẹ́jú
before I got to the police
kí
station.
n tó dé police station.
As at the time I got there,
tí mo yẹ dágọ̀ ọlọ́pàá.
they were already reporting back that this boy is a tough boy.
wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ fúnra wọn pé ẹni yìí èèyàn líle ni o.
He's a very stubborn boy.
èèyàn líle ni o ọlágídí gan o.
While they were talking,
tó ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀
I entered.
mo wọlé.
Ode. I said, yes.
mo ní èmi rè.
Where is the DPO?
ọ̀gá yín rà.
He said, yes, come, please sit down.
ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jókòó.
I said, sit down.
kí n jókòó.
A criminal is not offered a seat.
kì í sọ fún ọ̀daràn kó jókòó.
So now that you have given me a seat,
ìsìtọ̀ ẹ wá ní jókòó.
I'm not a
mo
criminal.
mọ̀ pé yìí kì í sọ̀daràn.
And I sat down. All of them are standing.
gbogbo wọn wá dúró èmi wá jókòó.
I look at the DPO and say, yes,
mo
what's
wá
my
wo
offense?
ọ̀gá wọn kí lẹ ní mo ṣe gan.
He said, well, they say your church is making
wọ́n ní
noise.
pé jọ yín ń pariwo.
That there is a child that is sick.
pé èèyàn ọmọ kan wà tó rẹ̀.
And that the noise did not allow the child to sleep.
ariwo yẹn ò sì jẹ́ kọ́ mọ́ sùn.
I said, that is the good time to bring that child to the
mo
church
ní àkókò tó dáa gan ni láti gbọ́ ọmọ wa nù jọ.
so that I will pray for that child.
láti gbàdúrà fọmọ náà.
And the child will be healed.
ọmọ náà sì gbàwòsàn.
One of the men said,
ìkànnì wọn sọ pé.
do you think everybody is a Christian?
jẹ́rìí pé kírísítẹ́nì ni gbogbo èèyàn ni.
I will curse you.
ń ṣe pé fún ọ.
I will curse you.
ń ṣe pé fún ọ.
You will remove this church here.
àlọ́ gbé ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì yìí kúrò níṣẹ́.
My friend,
ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
if you listen to the noise of the market,
tí o bá gbọ́ tó o bá fetí sí ariwo
you
ọjà.
will not buy anything in the
ọ̀ ní
market.
ra nǹkan kan tó bá lọ́jà o.
You will not buy anything.
ọ̀ ní ra nǹkan kan.
You must determine to focus on what you come for.
ó gbúdọ̀ pin nínú ọkàn rẹ láti ní àfojúsùn nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣe.
I look at the man.
mo wo ọkùnrin náà.
I didn't fear what he was saying.
mi ò bẹ̀rù nǹkan tí wọ́n ń sọ.
I asked the DPO,
mo béèrè lọ́wọ́ ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá.
is there any other question you
ṣé
want to
nǹkan
ask?
mi tún wà tẹ́ fẹ́ bí mi.
I said, sir,
mo ní sà
there is no church
Kò
that
sí
will not
ìjọ
make noise.
tí ò ní pariwo.
Every church is a place of noise.
gbogbo ìjọ jẹ́ ibi ariwo.
And once you see a church that make no noise, it is becoming a cemetery.
tẹ́ bá wá rí ìjọ tí ò pariwo ó ti ń dìbòjì.
I said, sir,
mo ní sà
everybody in this nation,
gbogbo èèyàn lórílẹ̀‐èdè yìí
by the constitution of our country,
nípa ìwé òfin orílẹ̀‐èdè yìí
each person has the legal right to worship anything he likes.
gbogbo wa la ní ẹ̀tọ́ láti bọ ohun tó bá wù wá.
If you want to serve trees,
tó
want
bá
to
wù ọ́ kó
serve a
mọ
stick,
bọ igi kó
go
mọ
ahead.
bá ejò.
But
ṣùgbọ́n
that is I am of the Christian background,
èmi jẹ́ kristẹni.
and that is how we do our thing.
bá a sì ṣe máa ń ṣe nǹkan wa rèé.
If you know that I am wrong,
tí ìwọ bá mọ̀ pé mo jẹ̀bi.
open your cell.
ẹ ṣí sẹ́ẹ̀lì yín.
Let me enter.
ẹ jẹun wọlé.
So tomorrow
tó bá wá dọ̀la
we meet in the court.
a wá pàdé nílé ẹjọ́.
And the DPO said it's not matter like that.
ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá wa ni kò tó yẹn.
Those people were saying, police, do your work.
àwọn èèyàn wá sọ pé ọlọ́pàá ẹ ṣiṣẹ́ yín.
Do your work.
ẹ ṣiṣẹ́ yín.
And I told the DPO,
mo wá sọ fọ́gà ọlọ́pàá.
thank you for honoring me.
ẹ ṣe tẹ bọ́lá fún mi o.
So people are still praying. I want to go and
àwọn
join
èèyàn
them.
sì ń gbàdúrà mo fẹ́ lọ bá wọn.
And I walk out of the police
mo
station
sì jáde kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀
alone.
lásán.
I did not allow any of my members to follow me.
mi ò jẹ́ kí ọmọ ìjọ mi kankan tẹ̀lé mi o.
And I trek back to that
mo tún
place.
wá fẹsẹ̀ rìn padà sí inú ìjọ.
My brother,
Arákùnrin mi.
if I ask our Father in the Lord here now,
tí máa bèèrè lọ́wọ́ bàbá wa ń sìn.
I know he has so many stories to tell.
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ní nǹkan tí wọ́n lè sọ fún wa.
In this place where we are,
lórí ilẹ̀ tá a dúró sí
it
gangan.
wasn't easy to get this cathedral
kì í
here.
ṣe nǹkan tó rọrùn láti gbé nǹkan tó da báyìí síbí.
There are a lot of people that they fought before it's time.
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ogun ni wọ́n jà.
So if you say,
tí ìwọ bá wá sọ pé
in my business, people will victimize me.
nínú okòwò mi àwọn èèyàn ń yọ mí lẹ́nu
People will
sẹ́ẹ̀.
persecute me.
àní wọ́n ń bá mi jà.
They are fighting me.
àní wọ́n ń yọ mí
They are
lẹ́nu.
not cooperating with
wọ́n
me.
tiẹ̀ ń bá mi rẹ́ wọn fẹ́ràn mi.
How do you want them to cooperate with you?
bó ló fi ẹgbẹ́ kan bọ̀ rẹ́.
Listen to me.
ẹ gbọ́ mi dáadáa.
Whatever you are doing
ohunkóhun tí ìwọ bá ń
that
ṣe.
has no challenges in life,
tí ò wá ní ìdojúkọ nínú ayé.
that thing has no meaning.
nǹkan tó ń ṣe kò nítumọ̀.
If you are doing something that is is meaningful,
tí ìwọ bá ń ṣe nǹkan tó nítumọ̀,
the devil will fight you.
even èṣù gan fúnra ẹ̀ yóò bá ọjà.
The world will fight you.
Àwọn ayé wọn bá ọjà.
And that is why I'm talking to you.
Ìdí ni tí mo fi ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀.
If you start a business
Tí o bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ okòwò,
and you begin to meet failure,
o wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bá ìjákulẹ̀
that
pàdé.
does not mean you should close down.
Ìyẹn ò túmọ̀ sí pé kó o pajú rẹ̀ dé.
I used to tell people
Mo máa ń sọ fún àwọn èèyàn.
recently when we came to our new office,
Lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí nígbà tá a bẹ̀rẹ̀ ta lọ sínú ọ́fíìsì wa tuntun.
you know, a lot of problem rising from the left and right.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìdojúkọ ló ń dìde lọ́tún lósì.
There were victimization, there were persecution, there
Gbogbo
were
àwọn
challenges.
ìdojúkọ àwọn ìpèníjà oríṣiríṣi.
And I adopted a slogan.
Mo wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pèdè kan.
Do you want to hear that
Ṣé
slogan?
fẹ́ gbọ́ èdè tí mo máa ń pè?
A child,
Ọmọdé,
an infant baby
ọmọ ọwọ́
that is vomiting and stooling
tó wá ń bì tó sì ń yàgbẹ́.
and is running temperature.
Tára rẹ̀ wá ń gbóná.
Does not mean that he's going to die.
Kò túmọ̀ sí pé yóò kú o.
The problem is that he wants to bring out teeth.
Ìtumọ̀ rẹ̀ ni pé o fẹ́ wù yín.
And nobody bring out teeth easy.
Kò sì sẹ́ni tó máa ń wu eyín lọ́nà ìrọ̀rùn.
Because those teeth are there to break every bone.
Torí pé àwọn eyín wà ń bẹ̀ láti wó gbogbo eegun.
And the devil does not want you to use that teeth.
Èṣù ò sì fẹ́ jẹ́ kó o lo eyín yìí.
And so he will bring every discouragement and every battle.
Yóò wá mú gbogbo ìpèníjà oríṣiríṣi wá.
I used to tell you,
Mo ń sọ fún yín.
challenges on your way are not there to kill you.
Ìdojúkọ lọ́nà rẹ̀ ò wà fún ọ láti pa ọ́ o.
Failure in your business does not mean you will die.
Ipò oní ìjákulọ̀ nínú okòwò rẹ kò sọ pé ó kú o.
And that is why many people close down.
Ìdí ni tí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ sì tán dojú bísíǹsì wọn bolẹ̀.
Listen to me.
Ẹ gbọ́ mi.
Go and find out from Dangote.
Ẹ lọ wádìí lọ́wọ́ Dangote.
There is no day that one of Dangote's trailer will not have accident.
Kò sí ọjọ́ kan tí tírélà rẹ̀ kan ò ní accident.
It may even burn to ashes.
Ó tiẹ̀ lè jóná ráúráú.
That does not mean that the man should close.
Kò túmọ̀ sí pé ọkùnrin yóò wá lóhun ò ṣe mọ́.
No.
Rárá.
They are there. You have to plan for all those things.
Wọ́n wà ń bẹ̀ ó gbúdọ̀ ṣètò fún wọn
You
gan.
must get yourself ready to meet any
Ó gbúdọ̀
challenges.
gbáradì láti bá ìdojúkọ pàdé.
You must not allow fear to put you back.
Ó gbúdọ̀ jẹ́ kí ẹ̀rù kó sọ ẹ́ di èrò ẹ̀yìn.
Fear
Ẹ̀rù
is the dead sword of a coward.
ó jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ tímọ́tímọ́ ọ̀lẹ.
It's the dead sword.
Ó jẹ́ ohun tí ó máa ṣekú pa ọ̀lẹ.
Only thy parun tí ó ṣe kíni tí ó pa ọ̀lẹ.
Is the dead sword of a coward.
And so if you want to achieve anything in life,
Tí o bá wá fẹ́ ní ohunkóhun nínú ayé
you
yìí,
must be ready.
ó gbúdọ̀ gbáradì.
Whatever the devil is saying,
Ohunkóhun tí èṣù bá ń sọ,
whatever the world is saying,
ohunkóhun tí ayé bá ń sọ,
you must stand your ground.
ó gbúdọ̀ dúró
If you
ṣinṣin.
listen to the noise of the people,
Tí o bá ń fetí sí ariwo àwọn
you can
èèyàn,
never have a breakthrough in your life.
o lè ní àṣeyọrí kankan nínú ayé.
You cannot have breakthrough in life.
O lè láṣeyọrí kankan nínú ayé.
If I do this one now, they will talk.
Tí n bá ṣe léǹsì wọn á sọ̀rọ̀.
If I do this one now, they
Tí
will
n bá
talk.
tún gbẹ́sẹ̀ báyìí wọn á tún sọ̀rọ̀.
Which time will they not talk?
Ìgbà wo gan-an ní sọ̀rọ̀?
Let them say whatever they want to
Wo
say.
jẹ́ tiẹ̀ sọ tó bá wù wọ́n.
You used to see it in a vehicle.
Ọmọ rí lára ara ọkọ̀.
They write it, they say, let them say.
Jẹ́ kí wọ́n sọ.
Do you know the meaning?
Ṣé ẹ mọ̀ túmọ̀ ẹ̀?
They say this, they
Wọ́n
say
sọ
that.
ilé, wọ́n sọ ilé.
They say that, they
Wọ́n
say.
sọ tọ̀, wọ́n sọ tìyín.
He now conclude.
Ọwọ́ pinnu.
Let them say whatever they want to say.
Ṣé tiẹ̀ mọ̀ sọ tó bá wù wọ́n?
Until you decide to say, let them say.
Ó dìgbà tí ẹ bá pinnu náà kan yín pé ẹ wo ẹjọ́ sọ tó wù wọ́n.
You'll be afraid of what they say there.
Ẹ̀rù tó bá sọ mí ò mọ̀ bà ọ́.
You'll be afraid of what they say there.
Ọmọ bẹ̀rù tó bá sọ mí.
And so you don't want to offend anybody.
Ọ wà dúró ò fẹ́ ṣe ẹnì
If you
kankan.
don't want to offend
Bọ́ọ̀ bá
anybody,
fẹ́ ṣèyàn kankan.
you will offend God.
Ọ ṣe Ọlọ́run.
The generation we have entered now
Ìran tá a tiẹ̀ wá ń wọ̀ báyìí.
is a generation of people who are determined to make it.
Ó jẹ́ ìran àwọn èèyàn tó ti pinnu pé kò sí ọ̀nà tí ó gbà àwọn ó ṣàṣeyọrí.
They are a generation that determine that whatever the devil is saying,
àwọn ni ìran tó pinnu pé kò sí tí èṣù bá tiẹ̀ ń sọ.
they are not looking back.
àwọn ò tiẹ̀ wẹ̀yìn.
They are not giving up.
àwọn ò tiẹ̀
They will
àwọn ọkàn wọn ò pòrúurú.
No retreat, no surrender.
kò sí ìdádúró fáwọn rárá.
And we must get to where we
a
are going.
gbúdọ̀ dé ilẹ̀ lérí
And so
iṣẹ́.
listen to me.
ẹ wá gbọ́ mi.
If you want to go there,
tí ìwọ náà bá fẹ́ lọ bẹ̀.
if you want to get there,
tí ìwọ náà bá fẹ́
you
débẹ̀.
must deafen your ears from every noise
ó gbúdọ̀ di etí ẹ sí gbogbo ariwo.
and have a focus
kó o sì wá ní ìfojúsùn.
and have a purpose.
kó o sì ní ìrèdí.
And I tell you,
mo sọ fún yín.
there are many lives that are tied to your destiny.
ọ̀pọ̀ ayé la so mọ́ àyànmọ́ ìwọ nìkan.
Let me give you an example of
ẹ
that.
jẹ́ n tún fún yín lápẹẹrẹ kan.
Look at our Father in the Lord there
ẹ
now.
wo bàbá wa nínú olúwa.
The life of many people are tied to his destiny.
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ayé la so mọ́ ìran tiwọn.
Look at how God is using him to set people free.
ẹ wo bọ́lá ṣe ń lò wọ́n láti dá ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ òǹdè sílẹ̀.
What do you think would have happened
kí lẹ rò pé yóò ṣẹlẹ̀.
if he has failed God?
tí wọ́n bá ti dá ọlọ́run kulẹ̀.
What do you think would have
kí lẹ
happened?
rò pé ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀.
Do you think God will be happy with him?
ẹ rò pé ní ọlọ́run máa dùn sí wọn.
Listen to me.
ẹ tún gbọ́ mi.
There are many lives that are tied to your destiny.
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ayé la so mọ́ àyànmọ́
So
ìwọ nìkan.
if you don't do something,
tí ìwọ ò bá wá ṣe nǹkan kan.
something will do you.
nǹkan ó sì ọ́.
Let's stand up.
ẹ jẹ́ ká dìde dúró.
There is a greater glory waiting for you.
ògo ńlá wà tó ń dúró dè wá ní ọjọ́
And
ọ̀la.
nobody else owns that glory.
kò sì sí ẹnikẹ́ni tó di ògo yìí mú.
It is your own.
ìyẹ̀yìn lẹ́ní.
You cannot sleep in your bed and wake up to find it.
ọ̀ lè mọ̀ sùn lórí ibùsùn rẹ kọ́ sì wò pé tọ́ba kan ti lajú ọ́ rí.
You must labor for it.
ó gbúdọ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ tọ̀ ọ́.
And I want to tell you also,
mo sì tún fẹ́ sọ fún yín.
I want to say something that you will not want to believe.
mo fẹ́ sọ nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀ ní fẹ́ gbàgbọ́ fún yín.
Do you know that sometimes it is not hard work
ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé ọ̀pọ̀ ìgbà kì í ṣe iṣẹ́ àṣekára
that brings success?
ló ń mú àṣeyọrí wá.
Because if it is hard work,
torí tó bá jẹ́ iṣẹ́ àṣekára ni
the birisope people, the
àwọn
one that
bíríkìlà ló
are,
yẹ kán lówó jù.
that are carrying concrete,
àwọn tó ń gbé yanrìn
when they are making concrete in the house,
nígbà tán bá ń ṣe kọnkéré ilé
they are supposed to be the richest people
àwọn ló yẹ kán lówó jù.
because they carry heavy load.
torí pé wọ́n ń gbé ẹrù tó wúwo.
But sometimes
ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀pọ̀ ìgbà
wisdom,
ọgbọ́n
wisdom,
ọgbọ́n
wisdom
ọgbọ́n
will guide you to do something
yóò tọ́ wa láti ṣe nǹkan
which will bring much gain.
tí ó wàá mú èrè ńlá wá.
And that is why you need to pray.
ìdí nìyí tí a ṣe gbúdọ̀ gbàdúrà.
Open my eyes.
ọlọ́run ṣí mi ní ojú.
God, what is that purpose you send me to this world?
ọlọ́run kí ni ìrèdí gan-an tó ṣe dá mi wánu
I
ayé.
want to fulfill that purpose.
mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kí ìrèdí wá sí
Every
ìmúṣẹ.
obstacle on my way,
gbogbo ìdíwọ́ ìdènà lọ́nà mi.
tear them off, oh
ẹ bá
God,
mi pín wọn níyà.
and give me that grace
ẹ wá fún mi ní orí ọ̀fẹ́.
to achieve your God, your divine given assignment for my life.
láti jẹ́ kí ohun tí ẹ ní fún ayé mi wá sí ìmúṣẹ.
Oh yeah, pray that prayer.
ẹ sọ di àdúrà.
In Jesus' mighty name we pray.
amen.
Let us be seated.
ẹ jẹ́ ká jókòó.
We are still going to pray further,
a tún gbàdúrà sí i.
but I understand there may be people who want to ask one question or the other.
ó wá ń yé mi pé àwọn kan wà tó lè fẹ́ béèrè ìbéèrè kan àbí méjì.